It is very easy in California to get arrested for DUI. Very easy. DUI is the crime that I believe there's more innocent people arrested for and prosecuted for and unfortunately convicted for than any other type of crime that's prosecuted by the state. In my 5 years as a district attorney, I prosecuted thousands of DUI cases. Almost everybody was convicted. We literally had a 99+% conviction rate. Most of these people simply walked up in front of the judge, pled guilty, and assumed that it was pointless to fight their case. But I became very disillusioned because I came to realize that so many of these people pleading guilty and being convicted had very defensible cases. These were cases that were investigated by poorly trained police officers who did sloppy roadside investigations and used faulty breath testing equipment and crime labs that were prone to incompetence. Many of these people could have fought their cases, and if they had, they could have won their cases and they could have kept their record clean. And one day I was sitting in court and it just dawned on me. I would rather be on the other side. I would rather be defending these people rather than prosecuting them. So I retired from the DA's office, I resigned from prosecution, and I opened up my own DUI defense firm. When I go to court, I know what the other side is thinking. I, in a sense, am able to put myself in the shoes of the prosecutor and see things from their perspective because I used to be one, and I still have their playbook. And litigating a DUI case, it's very much like a chess game. You have to not only think about your next move, but your next one and your next one, 4 or 5 moves ahead. And at the same time, you need to be able to anticipate your opponent's next move and their next move and think of their strategy and their moves 4 or 5 moves ahead. And as a former prosecutor, I'm able to anticipate what they're going to do and see things from their perspective much better. And it allows us to be much more effective as DUI defense attorneys. Fighting a DUI case is not easy. People should understand that this is not a battle that they have to fight alone. There are hundreds of DUI attorneys, investigators, experts, criminalists who are ready to stand by your side and fight this battle with you. And together we can take on the system and many times beat the system and avoid these convictions.